State asigi transport system amadi semelon gi lamda Yanglen saru oriba driver singi ai fanaba amadi makoi gi chathok chasin da khudong chanaba state National Highway sing semjin sajiliba agency sing amadi contractor sing na thuba madamda mana pairiba thabak sing quality leina loshinaba textile commerce and industry and Transport Government of Manipur gi Assistant Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai IFS na appeal tawrakre ngasi All Manipur Road Transport Driver and Motor Worker Union amasung Joint Coordinating Committee on 37 Drivers Day Observation Anina Sinduna Thangwibanda Labor THAU Ground da Pangthokkhre Contra Tare Suba Drivers Day Thoramda Chief Guest oina saruk yaraduna Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai na haikibada Manipur gumlapa lamdam asida driver kayana Akhang kanba amaga loinana praja miyam gi damakta puriba thodang sing yamna maru oiba thodang amani masina magi imung punaba khaknatana state asigi oiba analayeng lairik laishu chana thaknaba amadi chathok sasin chawkha thorangi hiram kayada makhoina achauba thodang yamna yari amadi state asigi chawkha thorangi saruk ama oina paikhatliba state highway sing driver singi yaifanaba amadi tek ta kaidana chatpa ngamnaba thabak suriba agency amadi contractor singna athubada lambi thong sing mapung fana Samjin Sajinba Loshinaba appeal tawki Masidanatana Miam gi Thaugai Pubada Thawai Thakraba driver singi mafamda Makoibu Ningsingduna Asumna Palan Thoram Pangthokkhre Asida Thagat Wahai Singh Pangthokkhre.
And I pay homage from the core of my heart today all the drivers who have sacrificed their lives for the cause of the nation, state or the people today here whom we are seeing today here, and I have my best wishes for all the drivers who are serving the state and the nation.
Amaromda laikidraba driver singi imung manung yauna laikidraba singi photo da laishukatuna Pangthokkhre thoram aduda coordinating committee gi convener oiriba maimom anil na haikibada ngasigi numit asida driver day palan thoram asi Pangthokkhre gi maru oiba maramdi kumza inglising amaga chamapan maudra January 3 ta jubjara driver amadi handyman sing masak khangdaba miyoi singna fazinduna tamthina hatkiba thodok kamari leinana prajamiyam numit tare ni chupna haukiba ihau paukhum oina matam adugi lengakna makha na thodok adu amuk hanna thokalaroi haibagi thajaba pirakpadagi irang loishinki amadi numit asibu drivers day haina palan tawduna lakki state asigi ching amadi tam animaki miyam gi damak national highway singda awaba maicha kaya khangduna honariba singbu ching amadi tamda leiriba mipum khudimokna driver singbu nungsibiduna ot naiba Tawbidana ba miyam gi seba mapung fana tawba fanghanbiyo haiba wafam singsu phongdokhe
Singa masung tamda leiriba praja punamaki damangtani ngasi sanglaba lambi ani sida National Highway 37 amadi National Highway number 2 hairiba sanglaba lambi ani sida awawa maisa kaya khangaga driver singchina Manipur praja gi damakta chanaba thagnaba mayam ama ngasi honaba yaba tawi yaba mayam tawri masi punamaksi Manipur leiriba aikogi singa masung tamda leiriba CSO organization sing mayam punna khaminaba ma khaminaraga ngasi driver singchu ngasi gi mayam gi damakta seba tawbiribani haibasi khanbiraga punamangna driver singmu minungsi thambiyu